Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create consistent characters on Leonardo AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to Leonardo AI. After you do so, go ahead and sign into your account. If you don't have your account, don't you worry because you can sign up to Leonardo AI using your Google, Microsoft or Apple ID. So after you sign into your account, you can see the consistent characters over here. So you can click on it and you can see how you can create it. The first step is to upload a reference image. Navigate to the image generation tool from the home page, click the button over here next to the prompt box, select character reference and upload a lit plain background face shot, real or generated or image. Choose an image from your personal feed, click confirm. The second step is to adjust character reference length. Click the reference image to set its length to low, mid or high. Start with high and adjust as needed. The third step is create a detailed prompt. In the prompt box, describe your character's attributes and context. Example is a man with short black hair, expressive eyes, large spectacles, wearing a baseball cap, standing in a city street. Detailed descriptions ensure consistency across generations. So let's go ahead and copy this, and it can be used for further uses. So let's go ahead and copy this. And the fourth step is add a preset and element. Select your preferred preset style and include elements, which is optional, or any other image guidance options such as style reference, then hit the generate button to generate your image. The fifth step is to refine and evaluate. Review uses for precision and consistency, adjust settings as needed, use quality mode for better images, and reduce strength for further stylization if using a photorealistic face. Some of the tips are for best results with body propositions and costuming, training, and element on your character's dataset is coming soon. The character reference is most effective with photorealistic faces or characters generated from the same model. Ensure you have legal permission to use the images. So let's go ahead and click on Get Started, which is over here. And you can see this photo option. As soon as you click on it, you can see the character reference. Just go ahead and click on it, but you must have a paid version for it. Go ahead and pay it. If you don't want this, you can just go ahead and type a prompt of your own. So I had copied the prompt previously. You can see that if I paste it over here, it will be in use. So let's go ahead and go to character, which is over here. And we can also copy the similarities of the character. You can see some of the characters being made very easily over here. So you can see there are some of the things which are over here. And this is the image which is given of the character reference. So you can see this is from David Harbour, which is from the Stranger Things. So you can do same with it. So I'm going to just go ahead and create an image of my own because I don't want to pay for a Leonardo AI. I'm just going to create a new and free version. I'll go to image creation, which is over here, and I'll just go ahead and give the font like a male with short black hair, expressive eyes, large spectacles, wearing a baseball cap, standing in a city street full of people, and a sci-fi dog. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do some of these. And you can see this option over here. You can see improve prompt. You can click on it, wait for a while, and the prompt will be improved. And you can see some of the better things which has been improved. This has been detailed. Let's go ahead and click on generate. If you want to add some of the elements, you can just go ahead and click on view more, and you can see some of the references over here. So you can choose what type of image you would want. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on solar punk over here, which looks very exciting. Go ahead and click on confirm, and you can also select some of the art styles other than that as well. So you can see I'm gonna select the next one as cybertech, click confirm, and you can see some elements. You can add more elements as well. You can see view more. You can see two of them was already selected. I'm gonna select this another element over here. You can see view more over here. Click it, you can see two of them was already selected. Now I'm gonna select the glitch art, and the next one I'm gonna select is gonna be some unique one. I'm gonna select this one over here. So this was the one. Go ahead and click on confirm, click on generate, wait for a while, and your artwork will be generated and your consistent image or consistent character will be generated in a minute or a few seconds using Leonardo AI. It might or might not be it might or might not be similar to the image you want, but Leonardo AI will try to make it as close as your image which you have uploaded or the prompt which you have given. So this process might take some time according to it. Wait for a while and you can see that this image has been created, but I don't know what happened. I think some problem had occurred over here, and you can see that this image has been created, but it doesn't look so nice. So you can see that you can remove this element over here and generate the art once again, and you can easily generate a consistent character. So guys, I hope this video about how you can create a consistent character on Leonardo AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.